Guys, I'm making this video to tell you why I'm not going to be making videos Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Because I'm going somewhere for those 3 days. And I made this video to talk to you about my chainsaws before I have to leave. Now, I am going to be making videos on Friday, but I think those are going to be like shorts and stuff like that. So, I'm making this video to tell you about my chainsaws. But I'm not going to be showing them, except for one. But that's later on inside this video. So I have this Skillsaw 1612 standard. I've shown you guys in one of my YouTube shorts. Go check that out. And if you would like to, please like and subscribe. I'd really like to reach 10 subscribers, please. And then I have the Pull-On P3314 that does not have a bar and chain because it's currently at Husqvarna. Because our chain is a different size for that Husqvarna. So we had to take the bar and the chain off just to put on that Husqvarna. But I'm gonna be showing you that. But my Pull-On P3314 is from my grandfather. But that Skillsaw 1612 standard is from my great grandfather. So I'm gonna go show you that Pull-On P3314. So I'm gonna head over to it right now. So like I mentioned before, please like and subscribe if you do enjoy it. If you don't, you don't have to. Because I'm really trying to reach 10 subscribers. But I'm gonna go to that Pull-On P3314. I'll be right back. And I'm back, and here's that Pull-On P3314 I was talking to you guys about. And yeah, it's good. I'm not gonna try to start it. Everything works on it, because I'm not gonna just try to start inside this video. But that's that chainsaw, and I'm gonna go show you that Skillsaw 1612 standard if you haven't seen it already. So I'll be back. Oh no. Sorry I dropped you guys. And I'm back, and here's that Skillsaw 1612 standard I was talking to you guys about. This is it. Nice and old chainsaw. Haven't noticed, but we have that cord fixed on it now. But I'm also gonna go show you that Husqvarna 120 that has that bar and chain on. So I'll be back. And I do know that this is the third chainsaw because we got a lot of chainsaws. But if you have more, comment down below how many you have. And I'm going to show you this Husqvarna 120. Here it is. Now this is one that my dad just bought. Well, just not now, it's not new or anything. We had it for quite a while. It's in good condition, everything runs, everything works. And that's the last chainsaw I'm going to be showing you guys. And that's it for this video. And yes, goodbye. See you in the next one.